Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, December 14th, 2015. You may think it's actually May 15th, May 14th, should I say. It's pretty warm out there, right? So is this going to last forever? No. In fact, we're going to be trending back to near normal by the time we get to next weekend, with temperatures a little bit more where we should be for this time of year, let's say upper 30s to lower 40s for highs. This morning, though, it's nowhere near that, as we look like we're going to have the chance of breaking another slew of record highs for today. Temperatures right now are in the lower to mid 50s throughout the region with some locally dense fog. That fog will slowly lift by the time we get to the afternoon hours, but in the meantime, visibility is below a mile in some locations. So it's going to be a rough day for traveling, especially if you're at the airports. Might have some pretty lengthy delays due to this fog. This fog, though, will burn off, and by this afternoon we'll have variable cloud cover, and then tonight we'll have periods of heavy rain as a cold front moves through the region. On our surface map, we can see a stationary front that will basically wash out over the next couple of hours, and this cold front will be approaching. And when this cold front moves through tonight, it's going to produce some periods of heavy rain and also a few thunderstorms as well. Nothing severe, just don't be surprised if you see a flash of lightning, a little bit of thunder, heavy downpours, wind gusts over 30 miles per hour in a couple of isolated locations. Not a severe threat in any way, shape, or form, but certainly a nice little surprise for you as you continue your holiday shopping out there. So this cold front will move through, and then by tomorrow, will be a little bit cooler. A little bit. Instead of temperatures around the upper 60s, lower 60s. It's a slow step down throughout this upcoming week. Now, as far as the radar is concerned, we're pretty much high and dry. We pretty much will be high and dry all the way through the afternoon hours. By the time we get towards rush hour, we'll start to see rainfall start to push into the region. And then tonight, especially towards the end of the rush hour period, around 7, 8 p.m., we'll start to see some embedded thunderstorms and heavy downpours move through. But overall, most of the heavy rainfall will be at the back end and after the rush hour for this evening. On our surface map, or should I say the infrared satellite map, you can see the stationary front starting to wash out. Our high pressure system is exiting, and here comes our cold front pushing towards the east coast with periods of rain, heavy at times. The primary upper level low with this storm will continue to lift up towards the Great Lakes and towards the St. Lawrence River Valley away from our region. So let's dive into the forecast. For today, look for increasing clouds throughout the day, generally dry conditions. We'll see showers start to push in and become heavy at times this evening. Temperatures for this afternoon will rise into the mid to upper 60s for highs. As that cold front moves through tomorrow, we'll have the winds veering to the northwest, and by tomorrow morning, a few lingering showers early in the morning, followed by clearing skies. Look for lows in the lower to mid 50s. Highs tomorrow with clearing skies and a northwesterly wind in the upper 50s to lower 60s throughout the region, so still well above normal. Now on Wednesday, high pressure will remain in control but start to depart, with lows in the mid-40s and highs in the mid to upper 50s. Now on Thursday, a strong cold front will approach the region, mostly in the afternoon and evening hours, producing periods of showers. Look for temperatures to range from the mid-40s for lows and mid-50s for highs. On Friday, that cold front will push through the region, but we're going to have to watch this wave of low pressure right here. It's going to track up towards the New Jersey coastal waters, producing some scattered showers, possibly even mixed with a little bit of wet snow in some of the highest elevations on Friday afternoon and Friday evening. Look for lows in the lower to mid-40s, highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s. Then Canadian high pressure will be in control for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Could even be a few snow flurries out there this weekend via the lake effect snow that's going to be really wrapping up and really developing off of Lake Ontario and Lake Erie this weekend. Temperatures will be much colder. How much colder? Well, low temperatures on Saturday and Sunday will be in the upper 20s to lower 30s. High temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s. That is much colder than what we've been experiencing, and although we'll fall back to near normal, it'll probably feel a lot colder because we've been in the upper 60s to lower 70s for several days now. So the shock might be more than the actual temperature change really is. And then on Monday, with high pressure in place, look for scattered cloud cover, lows in the lower to mid 30s, highs in the mid to upper 40s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.